Welcome to NetSuite. In this video, we will cover how to use SuiteAnswers. SuiteAnswers is the NetSuite self-service support site where you can view support articles, training videos, help topics, and best practice documents for NetSuite. You can also submit a question or support issue to NetSuite. To access SuiteAnswers, hover over the Support tab in the navigation bar and then click on Go to SuiteAnswers. Alternately, SuiteAnswers can be accessed from the Help Center by clicking on the Help button and then clicking on SuiteAnswers in the upper left. This will open SuiteAnswers. SuiteAnswers differs from the Help file in that it has a knowledge base and user training videos, as well as help articles. To find information, type the keywords in the search bar here. In our case, we will type adding items to order and press enter. This will return all information related to your keywords. Results can be further filtered by type of content by selecting one of the icons on the left-hand side of the page. If you do not find what you are looking for in the first round of searching, rephrase the search and run it again. The result we are looking for is this one here, adding items on a sales transaction. If you are not able to find an answer, you can also log a support case with NetSuite by clicking Contact Support Online in the Ask a Question section. Support can also be contacted via phone by clicking the Contact Support by Phone button. Displayed are all the steps on how to add an item to a sales order. The complete NetSuite training video library can also be accessed by clicking here. If you have further questions about how SuiteAnswers works, click on the SuiteAnswers tutorial link in the upper right. This concludes our video on how to navigate SuiteAnswers. Thanks for watching.